Welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Tran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. In this episode, we're going through the Rias de Santiago de Compostella. Enjoy!
So we're leaving Ribeira. It's a bit foggy out here, I'll show you in a bit. It should clear up in a bit again, so and there's a little bit of a headwind. I had hoped tailwind, but a bit of headwind. Oh well, anyway, it's only 2 hours today, 10 nautical miles, so it should be fine. On our way to Vilagarcia de Arousa, the capital of the Arousa area. So, let's see. And we made it through the mist. The fog has lifted. You can see it. You can see all these oyster barges here. And I know. Oyster floats. Or mussel floats actually, they're not oysters. There's Vilagarcia de Arousa on the horizon. Just about the end of the marina. They didn't answer on the VHF, but I think it's lunchtime. So. decided to go and do a bit of exploring inland. And yeah, exciting.
We're going so fast.
Train on the fast train to, and it's doing 200 kilometers an hour now. Four, 7, 8. So we're leaving Vilagarcia de Arousa. We're gonna do a little hop today, and then tomorrow we're gonna hop over to Vigo. So we're gonna be either 2 or 4 hours today, depending on where we're gonna go. So, depends a bit on the weather. Alright, you can steer the big line.
Alrighty. That is.
Yeah.
And we're sailing! Woohoo! And now we're using the wind. Oh.
Should we not go for seaweed walk?
No, that's
Sure.
right.
Oh.
No, because I don't suck it up anymore. We can just go through it now. So we sailed for a bit, and now we have to go right into the wind and the waves. The boat wasn't getting up to speed, so we decided to turn the engine back on and ride this one out in the engine. Well, an hour and a half, and then we should be able to start sailing again. and then turn left into the marina. So this is the marina, which we're going to try out. Yeah, let's see. And we're off again, off to Vigo. So bye bye Sanxenxo, and off to Vigo. So today we're going to go from Sanxenxo to Vigo. So we're going to go around this point, and then we'll go turn left towards Vigo. So it's going to be about 2.5-3 hour trip, and it's not a lot of wind, and the sea is 1.2 meters swell, I think. So it'll be a nice little trip. So we got the line out, see if we can catch some fish. That's Sanxenxo de Pontevedra. This is the Ria de Pontevedra. So this is Keys Island. So maybe later in the week we could anchor there. We got the permit now. And we just turned into the Ria de Vigo. So these are all the mussel barges you find here everywhere, also here. So the Rias are the main producer of mussels in Europe, I think. The city of Vigo. Massive. This is Vigo, and one of the cruise ships we actually saw in A Coruña. We are in Vigo.